Hello, ladies and gentlemen.
Wait, shut up.
Huh? What's going on?
I don't know. Why am I so ugly anyway?
This is a video, so you guys are like comic characters.
Will you please shut up? Everyone, just vote for me. I want to be president. I'll give everyone pizza.
Really? Guys, vote for her. Which pizza? Pizza cold or Domingo pizza? I like pizza cold better personally.
No, Domingo pizza is better. So much cheese. Yum.
Hello.
Hi. Finally, I said something. Mom, are you proud? Are you watching right now? I'm in TV. I'm finally a celebrity. Yeah.